Welcome everybody to our hunt for treasure. And how are you all with your money exercises? What's showing up? What's not showing up? Some of you are getting hang of the exercises. Some of you are totally new. So is there anything like it's going to be a short 35 to 40 minutes call where I will be doing a lot of clearings. So if you have any issues with money, uh, you can share with me and we will start picking up from there and start clearing the space. So who would like to go first?
Charu, I would like to say something.
Yes, please.
Yeah, that space of lack और वो जो डिजर्वेबिलिटी वाला इशू है उसको तो आप एड्रेस करना और दूसरा जो आपने मेरे लिए कहा तो वो तो आई एम गेटिंग टू मच ऑफ इट मतलब I am started feeling कि yeah this is the block which I have created in my life. That
And
fear
Ajay?
part, fear of losing love.
Okay, cool.
तो वो सब mix and match भी हो रहा है क्योंकि we are doing so many classes together.
Yeah, so that I'll take separately. But here I'm going to talk about money in particular.
Yeah, then space of lack and
Sure.
जो neediness जो वाला issue है कि we
Correct.
always want to have it and we create a need and lack for it.
Correct. Cool. All right. Anybody else?
More so, a sense of scarcity is something which is creating issues with me.
Yeah. Sense of scarcity, that again, sense of lack, sense of scarcity. Cool. What else? Hi, Jaya. Good to see you.
I am not able to क्या बोलते हैं? I'm not able to accept that there can be another source of income for me rather than the salary, other than the salary that drop. So I am stuck out.
Cool. Okay. Anybody else?
I'm in a space where I feel that I never make that enough amount of money.
You never
Though
make enough money. Cool.
win much, but for me it's not. And even distractor implant of competition, that's too much loud in my universe.
Okay, sure.
Charu, give us a process where we all can have a new revenue stream. I'm constantly looking for a new revenue stream, but I just can't get a breakthrough it. I do have 2 to 3, but then I want something new and where I would like it primarily where I am the main, key player over here.
Cool. All right.
Revenue stream, I have this one thing that whatever I make, it's like nothing is stable. I don't have a stable or fixed income coming in. Sometimes it's in lakhs and sometimes it's even not 1,000 or 10,000. So yeah, some stability and fixed income.
Sure. All right, you guys.
Hi, Charu. Shanky here.
Hi, Shanky.
So yeah, I would like to just mention that sometimes, most of the time, what I feel is that what I should be getting is what should I deserve it? How much I should get it? I'm not getting enough of it. So I know that there's much more potential over there for me to get, but somehow there's something that is blocking, and I'm not able to get it.
Sure. Cool. All right. Anything else?
And yeah, one more thing, please address the fear with this situation, COVID-19, where, the financial and the bracket has been hit majorly. I guess that's for everybody, I assume. Just how to handle it.
Sure.
That's it. Thank you.
Right. Welcome. Okay, I'm going to talk now and I will put all of you on mute for some time. But in any case you feel like anything, we will address it by and large for the group. There is a fear of lack. There is a fear of lack. There's no constant income sometimes for people. Or if they have constant income, then there is no more revenue streams. And with this COVID, a lot of us are going through, when I say a lot of us, like in my universe, it's very different than what it is currently outside, in outside people's world. So, so first question was, what is money? And a lot of us shared that what is money. Some of you said that, oh, it's a way which gets me more abundance. It's a way which gets me more ease. It's a way for me to get more. I'm able to do more things. I'm able to get more things. I'm able to travel. I'm able to have. So what is money? This is what you do with money. But what is money? Money is basically an energy. What is energy? Everything in this world, in this universe, is made up of energy, which means you are also energy. The energy you be is what you start creating with money reality also. So if you are in lack, your money reality becomes in lack. If you are in abundance, your money reality goes in abundance. What energy you be is very important, and that is what is the clear-cut reflection of your money reality. So my question to you is, if your money reality is, let's say, how much ever I have, there's always less in my universe, would you be willing to look at your personal judgment that you have with yourself, that how much ever I do, it is always less in this world? And everything that does not allow you to acknowledge you, can you please destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POD POC, online shots, boys and beyond. So it's very simple. For example, so just before Corona, did you have a better situation with money? Or was it the similar? Similar. Yeah.
Better. Better.
Okay, cool. And then
Similar.
yeah, I'm not talking about your bank accounts, but your outlook towards money was how? Was it the same? Because usually the outlook remains the same. Like some of the people would be able to, yeah, same outlook during the, before Corona and during Corona and after Corona. It's just that how quickly you buy into everybody else's reality than creating your own reality. And everything that does not allow you to have your own reality with money, can we destroy and uncreate it all? Right and wrong, good and bad, POD POC, online shows, boys and girls. It has nothing to do with Corona. Your financial reality has nothing to do with Corona, period. If today is Corona and then yesterday was some earthquake and then there was a demonetization and then there was GST, no. How you be with your money is what is important. So do you be with your money in abundance, you be with your money in lack? Anytime you look at your account, do you feel that, oh my God, I have like 100 rupees? Or do you look at your account and say, oh my God, I just have 100 rupees? And it's just the energy difference. And that's where one of the tools was, I have more money, I have more money, I have more money, I have more money. So yesterday night, I made a heavy payment and my account went to like absolute dip. And I checked myself and I had that sinking feeling and I said, hello, stop, Charu. Can you just use the tool? I have more money, I have more money, I have more money. Money come to me, money come to me, money come to me, money come to me. I have more money is where you are creating the abundance in your universe. It does not matter how much ever Corona is going on. Would you be willing to look at your reality and start asking your reality to start showing up? And everything that does not allow that, can we destroy and uncreate it all? Right and wrong, good and bad, POD POC, online shows, boys and beyonds. So this energy of lack, how much this energy of lack is only with money, or this energy of lack is everywhere, whether it is relationships, whether it is creations, whether it is your body, that you always feel it is less. And everywhere you have been implanted with that energy of less. Is that your energy, or you have been implanted with that in this reality? And what jails are you using to create the dominance of E equal to MC square? To always be in diminishment of you and your money reality that you're choosing. Everything that is times a godzillion. Can we destroy and uncreate it all? Right and wrong, good and bad, pon poc, online shorts, boys and girls. If you never had to judge you, if you never had to, if you always acknowledged you, what you have created till today, what is it? Is it less? Is it more?
More, Charu.
So everything that does not allow you to acknowledge but want more. So now what happens when you say, oh my God, I've had this, and now how can I have more? Okay. But when you say, I've created more, but I want more, then that more which you just said before but has been negated, which means there is a space of lack again. So everywhere you're not acknowledging that how much you have, how much you've had, can you please destroy and uncreate it all? And what would it take for you to start asking for more to show up now? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, poc, online shorts, boys and beyonds. So it's the same energy which you be with yourself is exactly the same energy which you be with your money. So for example, Manpreet asked, what can you tell me about different revenue streams? Would you be willing to explore different capacities and potencies of you that you haven't explored yet? And everywhere you've concluded you what you are, that defines your money streams, can you please destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, poc, online shorts, boys and girls. How many definitions you've had with your own selves of how much you've defined you that defines your money reality and revenue streams, and everything that does not allow that, can we destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, poc, online shorts, boys and girls. If I'm not defined by as a doctor or as a access facilitator, then I can be a gardener, I can be a cook, I can be a good maid too in this corona lockdown. And I can be a good PR person also, like calling up people. I can like write down 10 things which are fun for me to do. So would you be willing to write down 10 things which are like really, really fun for you? And would you ask them to make money for you? If you didn't define you, and if you didn't define the path, how it will show up. And all the judgments are what stops you from creating and receiving. So how many judgments you're holding of you that never allows you to have more money in your reality? And everything that does not allow that, can we destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, poc, online shorts, boys and girls. If like a kid you started asking, I wonder what capacities I have now, would you allow it to start showing up? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, poc, online shorts, boys and girls. Manisha is just cooking pasta. What if she asked her cooking to get her more money? What if she started creating workshops on cooking? But then the judgment comes, so less, no. And all the reasons and justifications you have of not having you and having money, can you please destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, poc, online shorts, boys and girls. Do you realize there is no difference between you and money? Exactly what you are being is what you're being with your money. So everything that does not allow you to be that, can we please destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, poc, online shorts, boys and girls. So some of you had this issue where you said that, what do I hate about having money? And then some of you said, the moment it comes, I just end up spending that money. Right? How much you've already spent you in this reality that you haven't acknowledged. And when if you didn't spend you, and if you started having you in this reality, what would that look like? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, poc, online shorts, boys and girls. So to also have more ease with money, how many of you are doing your 10%? Or do you know what is 10%? If anybody who does not know what is 10%, you can just type in and I will share with you what is 10%. And the more, okay, Kanar, the 10% is how much ever you earn. You keep 10% aside of that money and you never touch it in for the rest of your life, never. The moment you will have those 10% money, at least for 6 months, you will start having money with you. There will be no urgency of spending. The moment that money is there in the account, let me just spend it. Let me find some ways to spend it. Let me just find energetic ways to spend it. So everywhere you are, if you are not doing 10%, then my one suggestion is that start, it's not suggestion, it can be a command too if you want to change your financial reality. Start doing your 10%. All right, cool. Second is, how many of you carry cash? So everywhere you're not carrying cash, tell me what energy you be then. If you want to go out and if you want to buy something, suddenly what happens?
I feel like क्यों नहीं लेके आई मैं? I should carry it. या मैं अपने credit card को use करूँगी. Otherwise, I go for card.
Cool. What about you, Raghav? Card. Cool. Now, what is a card? Card is a credit card which creates a debt. Debit card. Debit card, right? Now, debit card is also, which is, it like deducts. It deducts, right? And if you carry cash, and there's nothing wrong in using your debit card, but if you always have cash in your pocket, then you always have a choice of spending or not spending. So start carrying cash in your wallets and exuberant amount of cash. Not 500, 200 rupees, 1000 rupees, 2000 rupees, but like literally good amount of cash in your account, in your wallet, which also allows you to become more present with your money. So somebody said, but what if it gets stolen and all of that? Yeah, how much more present you will have to be with your money then? And everything. Yes, Manisha?
With me, it is that I started doing this, and trust me, on movie date only, I had spent like 15,000.
Yeah, so that's where you're not willing to have money and how much you will have. I will have one exercise yet tomorrow because tomorrow is Sunday. I wanted to do it only on Sunday. But the moment you're not willing to have money, romance with money, then that money goes away in your universe. So you have to get present with what are your judgments with money that never allows you to have more money. And everything that does not allow that can be destroyed and uncreate it all. Right and wrong, good and bad, one POC, all light shots, boys and beyonds. So one of the things which, how many of you do not make choices by concluding that it is too expensive and I cannot have it right now?
I. Rashmi.
Even I do.
Cool. All right. So now when you say, oh my God, this is too expensive, I cannot have it. How many times you put that value to yourself? That I can afford 2,000, 5,000 rupees, but I cannot. Yes, I will. Can you help with compulsive shopping? When you do 2,000, 5,000, that's fine. But if it is 2 crores, then that's my value I've put to myself that I will not spend 2 crores because I cannot have 2 crores in my life. And everywhere you've decided, concluded, judged, and put a value to yourself, what amount you can spend and what amount you can have in your world. Can you please destroy an uncreated wall? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, online shows, boys and girls. The biggest way of having more money is receiving. So everything that does not, how would you increase your receiving? Now here's the thing, when you go to shopping malls, when you do online shopping, do you buy everything? How much do you buy and how much do you reject?
I buy a lot.
Okay. A lot means do you buy the whole mall?
I buy so much that my car dicky is full.
Okay. And the question is, do you buy the whole mall?
No.
Cool. Now, first, I will talk to you about what you are saying, but the first thing you have to look at it as all those things which you are not buying is where you're not willing to receive them because there's a judgment to it. ये कितना गंदा है, I don't like this. Oh, ये ड्रेस कौन पहनेगा, मुझे ये भी नहीं चाहिए. Oh, ये तो मेरे पास चार एक जैसी है, सेम और मुझे क्यों चाहिए? And all of them are your judgments. What if you go to mall and you just stand there, whether it's a ganda kapda and a acha kapda, whether it is a what do you say, so revealing kapda, or whether it is so covered kapda, whether it is a winter cloth or a summer cloth or whatever it is, are you willing to receive it? Okay, I'll just have it. How many times we reject that with all the reasons and justifications and all those reasons and justifications are the ones which does not allow you to receive more. And everything that does not allow that, can we destroy and uncreate it all? Right and wrong, good and bad, porn talk, online shows, boys and girls. So for some of you who have this thing that you are obsessively obsessed to spend your money.
I guess that's very me. At times I don't know what to do with the money, and I just end up just keep on buying, and half the time I forget that I have that stuff.
Cool. So what would it take for you to increase that and have more and more and more?
Are you really serious about it?
I am. Why would you want to reduce it?
I don't have place to keep the stuff.
Yeah. So now can you ask a question? Universe, what will it take for me to have more place? What if to keep those clothes you have another big bungalow? Like, I don't think so. It's a bad deal.
Okay.
I will have a small car because my house does not have the space. I can buy a big car, but my house is small. Now, what kind of abundance is that? You say, okay, I have a big car. Universe, give me a bigger house to keep this car. And how does it get any better than this? And everything that does not allow you to have that, can you please destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, online shows, boys and girls. Why would you not have it? Cool. Now, fourth is money follows joy. Joy never follows money. And which I was talking about, the energy you be is what is money creating. Money is for you. So if you are constantly worrying about money, guess what happens with money? It stops showing up. And then if you get 100 rupees and you say, oh my God, I had 100 rupees showing up, and the joy you have, that allows you to have more. The energy you start being. If somebody gives you, for example, in my clinic, when some patient comes and sometimes they can't pay me and they pay me 5 rupees or 10 rupees. And what do I say? 10 rupees, who gives me 10 rupees? Get lost. Will they ever come to me? But if I have joy and if I have made the number very insignificant, it starts increasing and expanding. So everywhere you are making number more significant than the joy, can you please destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, online shots, boys and beyonds. Okay, I am gonna ask you some. So would you be willing to ask more questions to have more money? Like if you have any class and you have concluded that it's expensive, rather than expensive, would you be willing to ask, hey universe, what will it take for me to have money for this? What would it be like if I had money for this? Rather than going to a conclusion, oh, it's too expensive, I shouldn't be doing this. Everything that is, can you please destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, online, shorts, boys and beyonds. How much more, and this clearing you can run as much as you want to. What energy, space, consciousness, choice, magic, miracle, mysteries, and possibilities can I and my body be to be the orgasmic joy I truly be? And everything that does not allow that, can we destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, online, shows, boys and beyond. सड़ी हुई शक्लों को कोई पैसे नहीं देता है. You meet people with a smile and they do your work with so much ease. If you meet a guy with all the sada hua muh, then he will never take you out for a date. And if you say yeah, and you're having fun with the guy, and then he will take you out for a date. And same goes for guys too. If you come up with a sada hua face, then no girl wants to be with you. And then if you are willing to have more humor, then they are like happy to go out with you. Is it fine to plan how to spend money? Totally, yes. You got to be willing to be present with your money. It's not from the space of that you become miser or anything, but you are willing to have intimacy with your money and you're willing to be present with your money. So for example, Manisha says that sometimes I have money in my account, like in my wallet, I end up spending 15,000. So truth, Manisha, are you present with that 15,000?
No,
No.
I check out.
Cool. You check out. So first, would you please acknowledge that, okay, I check out here and that's not wrong. Even when I check out, I still have 15,000. So what level of abundance you have in your world? Would you be willing to acknowledge that?
Yes.
Cool. And then you say, okay, universe, I wonder if I actually become present, how much more can I have in my world? And the question is, why would you not want to be present with your life? Everywhere you are matching up to everyone's reality by not being present with your money reality. Can you all destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, online, shorts, boys and girls. Everywhere you are trying to match up to everyone else's financial reality in Corona times. Can you please destroy and uncreate it all of you? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, online, shorts, boys and girls. My friends called me up and they said, "Kaisa chal raha hai kaam?" I said it tripled in Corona lockdown for me. And I was willing to like really blow away their world. But are you willing to do that with people? Or you buy that reality that, oh no, it is like next 1 year, it is going to be really bad. Everything that is times a godzillion. Everywhere you're buying people's points of views. What would it be like if you started being an interesting point of view? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, online, shorts, boys and beyonds. Okay, just for right now, since the time you are born till today, whatever your age is, whoever is the youngest, at least till that age, I'm saying, but you can do it till your age. Since the time you are born until today, how much amount of money, wealth, gifts, property you have received? Just scan your universe. Is there anyone who has received less? Yes, no. Since the time you are born till today, how many gifts, how much money,
A lot and a lot, Charu.
so everywhere you are not willing to acknowledge that, Because if you acknowledge, then you will expand that energy and that will keep expanding then. And you will start looking at the potency, power, and receiving. Cannot be counted. You don't have to count. You just have to receive and scan. Have you received less? Have you received more? So everywhere you're not, maybe 100 crores I've received. So true. Everywhere you're not, I actually did that. I looked at, I said, oh my God, I have gold. I stay in a house. I have this much money and I still keep cribbing. I don't have money. I don't have money. Guess what you create? Lack, 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 lack. And then I said, oh my God, I'm like I would say, मैं तो पैसे की टकसाल में बैठी हूँ. Like Uncle Scrooge. So what would it take for you to then receive that? The biggest problem is that we haven't received it in totality. We live with the idea of lack. And that comes from, sorry to say, but that comes from being an Indian. The lack mentality, which keeps you always controlling, that never allows you to be out of control. And everything that does not allow that, can we please destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pop, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. Cool. Any questions, guys?
The energy of envy is too much loud in my universe that I had got very present that it's not me, it's my friends. Whenever I tell them कि हाँ मेरा corona में अच्छा चल रहा है, then also I got received a lot of judgment, and also at certain times I find them saying, हाँ your father is doing everything for you, तुझे क्या पता पैसे की क्या value and all that. And
Okay,
then I
stop here. Now you are the creator of your life, all of you, right? You're a smart woman. You created a father and you are now sitting with ease. Why would you not receive that? You say, it's too bad. I was smart enough to have a father like him. You don't have, what do I do? Are you aware of their jealousy, or is it your jealousy?
It's mine.
Yeah, it's yours. Totally yours, Manisha. Such a liar.
No, it's theirs. I'm so aware.
And would you please own up your father, the creation that you be? All those women and I'm going to say right now women, because some of the men, I'm not sure their life, what it is. But all the women who created like really rich husbands, rich fathers, rich brothers in your universe, would you please acknowledge your creation and receive that? Rather than being a stupid woman of this reality, I have to work hard to get more money. Well, you made a smart choice to have a like really rich father or a rich husband or a rich brother who can get you money. And you say, okay, all of life is coming to me with ease, joy, and glory. But I will say it shouldn't, all of life should not come to me with ease, joy, and glory. I think you should run that mantra. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pog, all right, it's the same like Manpreet. You know, Charu, my dicky gets filled. Okay, then get a bigger car. Why would you want to reduce yourself? Or you can have, okay, have you seen that movie which was in which there was this woman who used to cry to her husband Paresh Rawal कि जब मेरी शादी हुई थी मैं 5 ambassadors में सोना भर के लाई थी. Do you guys remember that movie?
Hangama.
Yeah,
Hangama.
What would it be like if we had 5 ambassadors, not ambassadors, like there's no more ambassador, but what would it be like if we filled our 5 cars with 5 Cretas with all the gold?
Yes, I'll have that.
Everything that does not allow that, do you realize all your problems will just go away? How much would you have to receive judgments or regarding to you? How much you will have to receive judgments of others and still create what you would truly like to create?
Charu, I have a question.
Everything that does not allow that, can we destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pog, online shows, boys and girls. Yes, Shalu, go ahead.
Um, with no judgments, I'm ready to receive 10 cars full of gold and diamonds and all everything. I can manage that much amount of money.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
The thing is, I still, in a corner, I feel insecure, you know. All of this because I'm not good with network, banking, handling. It is all my husband's money.
So
Even if it
wait,
is on my name, then
so,
at times I feel insecure.
yeah, so what would it be like if you started being present with your bank accounts, with all the income tax, and that's a reason and justification you have of not having more money or not letting go of your insecurity.
Yes.
So what if you demanded more of you? Okay, I'm going to be more present with money. I'm going to go and learn bank work, accounts, CA, and all of that. Well, one of the CAs was supposed to be on this call and he's not there on the call. Otherwise, I would have asked you to meet him. He's my amazing client and he handles my work. But I also have this point of view. I said, kaun karega? And then I started demanding, if I got to have more money, I have to be present with it. I cannot live with this stupid lie which I tell myself that I can't handle and I don't know how to handle and people will just take away my money. It just gets spent. I don't know what happens. It just goes away from my account. Hello, no. Everything that does not allow you to be more present and have intimacy with money can be destroyed and uncreate it all.
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pok, online shorts, boys and girls. Cool. What else?
Thank you. It all come to learn something, you know, learn banking, learn network.
Okay, who else wants to go now? So, Shanky, I wanted to ask you,
Yes,
everywhere
Charu.
you are not being paid enough, you are not honored enough
Hmm.
for the work you're doing. I would
Right.
like you to be present in your world, how much you are honoring you, how much you're acknowledging you. If you do not acknowledge, then people do not acknowledge you. If you do not honor you, then people do not honor you. So if you are willing to change that energy with yourself, the world around you will change and you'll be surprised to see how it changes.
Sure.
Cool. Everything that does not allow that can be destroyed and create it all.
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, online, shorts, boys and girls. Cool. Who else? No money issues. Okay. So if you want to have more revenue streams, would you be willing to look at what are the 10 things which you do with total ease? What are the 10 things you do with total ease? And that you love doing. And then can they become your income streams? How much more judgments you will have to drop for you to receive them? I'm a bad cook, I'm a bad dancer, I cannot speak, I don't have time. I have so much of bank work that I don't have time. And everything that is, can you please destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pok, online shows, boys and girls. So the question to you all is, you can always ask this question, universe, what will it take for me to have different revenue streams? And the brilliant part is, if you're today willing to ask this question, there are different revenue streams which are actually there in your universe. If now it's there, if you ask the question, it's there. Are you willing to receive it now, or you want to judge? No, I'm a doctor, I will only be a doctor. Well, I posted a poster that I'm willing to teach car driving also to people because I love driving. And my mind will just go, okay, morning, like 1 hour I can teach driving and I can make money out of it. Everywhere you're not willing to be innovative and receive money with what the things that you love, can you please destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all night shots, boys and beyonds. Cool. Question, question, question.
Hi, Tanu.
Hi.
Ekta.
Hi, Ekta.
Just wanted to say that while I was doing the exercise yesterday, I'm not sure whether it was because of that exercise, but I really wanted to clear out anything. I was going to the, sorry to say this, but many times I had to visit the washroom, and the whole day I was visiting the washroom, and in the night I cried a lot, as if there was some negative energy which had to ooze out.
Okay.
Does that, so I was just concerned if I could ask this question.
So my question to you is that related to money? Yes or no? What do you get?
I feel that while I was doing the exercise, there were certain negative things or my judgment that came out in the form of water.
Okay, so what was it? Was your body releasing?
I feel so. Because
Okay,
after
so,
that, I was very light and
oh my God. Why did you do this? You shouldn't have gone to the washroom. You should have held on to all your negative energies and limitations. Oh God. Oh no. Why did you do this? Just for all of you to know who would be hearing the recording, her body is releasing. So when you do these clearings, your body will release in different ways. Sometimes you will burp, sometimes you will fart, sometimes you will sneeze, sometimes your head will feel spinning, sometimes you will go to washroom many times. It can be loose motions, it can be passing urine a lot, it can be feeling very hungry, sleeping a lot. Those are just forms of change which you're going through. Would you allow yourself to go through that change? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys and girls. So the clearing for you all is, what have you made so vital, valuable, and real about possessing the phenomenons of poverty that always keeps you seeking to have less? And everything that does not allow that can be destroyed and uncreate it all. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys and girls. I'm an entrepreneur out of a secured job since last 6 years. How do I look for positive money energy? You don't have to look for positive money energy. To look for positive money energy, first you have to look for negative. What is so negative? What is so negative? If instead of that, if you started being in gratitude, what you currently have, and then you started asking questions, how can I have more money? What revenue streams can I have? Who can I meet today? And then couple of more questions, who can I engage with? And that starts showing up more and more and more. Okay. And then there is a book written by Gary Douglas, Money is Not the Problem, You Are. So you might want to read that book, and really contributes. Okay. So anytime you're not able to create anything in your life, really, or choose anything in your life, really money is not the problem. You're not willing to receive some parts, and that is where the problem is, because you have judgments locked in your universe. Like I said, if there is a class and you will not make that choice for that class because there is a judgment that you cannot have that amount of money, or there is a judgment that I don't deserve it, or there is a judgment conclusion attached that I will only receive X amount of money by month end. And all of them are your judgments and conclusions. So today's exercise was, which nobody shared in the group, that the exercise was, would you be willing to ask how many revenue streams can I have? How can I receive more money? Now, funny part is, if you just ask yourself, okay, universe, in next 1 hour, what will it take for me to receive 10,000 rupees? Just for fun. And in your head, you know it's not going to like show up in next 1 hour 10,000 rupees. Or just for fun, you can say 1,000, 2,000, whatever feels like to you. And then clear your judgments which you have. Like you will have, who will give me in next 1 hour that 10,000 rupees? Interesting point of view. I have this point of view. And then next, again, you will ask, universe, what will it take for me to have 10,000 rupees? And then you will have this point of, oh, probably somebody has my payment who will just transfer that payment. Oh, interesting point of view. I have that point of view. Then you ask another question, then you will have more of, oh, probably somewhere my, dividend is there and it will show up. Talking about that. Then again, you ask a question and you say, oh, I have a savings. I will break that. Now, by the end of 10 things, you will realize that no more points of views you have, and just for fun you're asking universe, show me where's the money, and money starts showing up. Would you be willing to have fun with money now? And just for fun, would you be willing to ask, okay universe, money, 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 money come, money come, money come, money come, money come, money come, money, 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 come to me, come to me, come to me. Cool. I will just do the clearing. Yes, Jaya, you had some question.
So, like, it's been today's the 5th day, and of course, I'm reading constantly in the group, but I don't know what is stopping me. I'm not able to play with the tools. I'm not able to do the exercise. I mean, the exercise on the second day, like rubbing the money on the body, I'm not able to do that.
It is
resistance.
Cool. So, do you want to be in that resistance?
No.
Then make a different choice.
So, I mean, which tool will help me to come out of that resistance?
Choice. It's a choice. It's a choice. It's a choice, universe. You're choosing not to do this.
Okay.
And then you make another choice to not do this. And you say, okay, I'm still making a choice to not do this. Okay, fine. And I'm making another choice to not do it again. Okay, fine. Till when I will keep making this choice? Well, you can. Now I will give you a simpler way, because I like you to, I would like you to acknowledge that it's just a choice. So you can run the clearing everywhere. I'm resisting doing exercises. I destroy and uncreate it all. What do I love about not changing my financial reality? And can I also ask you one question?
Yeah.
Is this resistance yours?
No.
ठीक है, सबका उठाओ, सबका
Seriously. Oh my God.
Just for all of you to know that she's not a person who resists anything. She has been a brilliant creator, and she has created what a lot of us have not created at this age also. And when I say this age, don't make it significant, but she's one brilliant creator who is like inspires me to the T. She's Dr. Jaya, and she has a center in Udaipur where she has one of the best centers in all over Rajasthan who works with special kids. And she looks like a very little child, but she really handles, I don't know, probably some hundreds of kids, and all of them grow up under her. And we've had marvelous work done in her center. So a person like her who says I have resistance, not hers. Totally not hers. So a lot of you can ask yourself, so Raghav, when you say that I'm lacking behind, it's not lacking behind. Probably that exercise is required you to do more. It's not a just so it's not that it's not a linear way of doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but these are the exercises. And you can, like, I like to constantly be in a question, what is money? 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 The more I ask what is money, the more my points of view starts clearing up. So it can be anything. When you rub money, a lot of times when you rub money, your points of view starts clearing. You start receiving money. So just see which one is there for you. And like today, I was playing with myself, okay, what are the different revenue streams I can have? Just for fun, can I ask universe, just give me money. And then how many points of views you have of, huh? How can that just show up? Cool. Questions, comments, queries.
So, Charu,
Yes.
can I say something?
Yes.
Okay. So, like one which Raghavendra has put up is that, about the exercises. It happens with me in all the workshops, like he said. Okay. The second thing is that, in this particular workshop, this money one, like I started, the one which came to me very easily and it was fun for me was, I was asking everything, can I have my money? Can I have my money? Can I have my money? And it was fun. But the rest of it, I couldn't do it.
Again, choice.
Okay.
It is called choice.
All right.
You all want to do easy stuff क्योंकि उसमें कुछ करना नहीं है ना. Can I have money? Can I have money? Can I have money? Can I have money? But then in others you have to
पड़
like.
गया मुझे.
Cool. All right, guys. What else do you have? What questions do you have? Manpreet, have I cleared your stuff? Manisha, Manpreet.
Yeah, yeah.
Cool.
I just want to get rid of our shopping.
You want to get rid of shopping? One of the tools which is for all of you is which you can use. I used it. I was a crazy shopaholic. But when I got that tool, I started religiously working with that tool. If I buy you, will you make me money? And if it was no, I will not buy it.
Okay, I have one more question. You said carry cash. Now, when I used to I always carry cash and cards. But ever since I've got my own cards, my spending is gone beyond control. It's crazy. And I've observed when I was carrying cash, it was very sensible. Matlab,
you were present with it.
Yeah.
That's why cash is not cards are not preferred because you don't get the feel of money. So there is no intimacy with money. So there is a complete dishonoring of money with cards.
Yeah, yes.
And when you carry cash, you are present with that money. There is a touch, actually physical touch that you have with money. So if you really want to change your financial reality, guys, start putting cash in your wallet and never spend it.
It is like I'm using a very layman language. With cash, तो वो ना थोड़ा miser type बहुत sensible how our mothers are, हाँ इसकी जरूरत नहीं है, but that type expenditure happens. And with card, it is like how fathers are ले लो, they don't stop us. It's like,
okay, all of you, everywhere you're biomimetically mimicking your father or your mother's financial reality. Can you please destroy it and create it all? Right and wrong, good and bad, POC, online shows, boys and beyonds. And at what age did you started mimicking it?
Charu, at time I resist buying, but my parents get mad at me when I come home and I say I wanted to buy this, but I resisted. So they are like, "Zarurat nahi thi aise resist karne ki." I know these are not mine. I've picked up from my ex and all that. But at the same time, when I take stock of what I do throughout the day, at the end of the day, wo spending and all is heavy for me. Like Manisha, I tend to check out a lot when I go out. And when I resist and when I do the sensible thinking and I, how you said when you go to mall, I get it, okay, I don't need this. It is not going to make money. But it so happen after a day or two, it will be so impulse that 11 o'clock in the morning, I am at the shop and I end up buying it.
Yeah,
And
so
this
how
is something which bothers me a lot.
cool. So the question is, whose reality are you resisting or reacting or agreeing or aligned to? And everything that is, can you please destroy and uncreate it all? You might have to run this clearing for next couple of months. Everywhere I am agreeing, aligning, and resisting, reacting my money reality, I destroy and uncreate it all. Whose money reality you are living? All of you. You know, even one single tool can change if you start asking whose money reality I'm living. Who does that belong to? So start saying, return it to the senders with consciousness attached. Return it to the senders with consciousness attached. And it'll start changing. But now you've got the awareness and you might have to run this clearing for a couple of days or months for it to change. Until then, can you be kind to yourself and not judge you? And have gratitude. You can either judge or you can be in gratitude. What would you like to choose?
Have immense gratitude.
That's it. If you're not able, if you haven't bought it that day, okay, it was in those 10 seconds you did not want it, and then next day morning at 11 o'clock you want it. Receive that. It's a 10 seconds choice. Instead of going into judgments, what if you could receive it? Oh, I could spend 15,000. Oh, I'll have gratitude. I had 15,000. Why would you want to judge it? Because somebody else does not have 15,000. Or you have a rich father. Well, I'll have a rich boyfriend. I don't mind having a rich boyfriend.
Me too.
Right, wrong, good, bad, purple, online shows, boy. Cool.
So this is one thing with me that I am not. I have done this conscious thing now. From last 4-5 months, I buy only if that thing is gonna make me money. But this thing then shows up कि मेरा ध्यान हमेशा महंगी वाली चीज पे जाके okay, my body likes that and I ask, okay, will this make money or the cheap one will make money? The cheap one is never light and I'm always being judged for it कि same चीज तो वो कर रही है, same चीज वो करेगा तो क्या फर्क है? And then I get into the wrongness and absurdness of that. Oh yeah, I could have saved this much money, but I spent it and the same functions are there. So is it something wrong with me?
You tell me, is it?
I love luxuries, my thing.
Okay, then where are you making it wrong?
Okay.
And is that your wrongness or you're aware of people's wrongness?
I'm aware. I'm really aware.
Return, 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 return. Who does that belong to? Not mine, not mine, not mine.
And one very funny or interesting thing is showing up that a lot of Access people now, when I finally chose Access, people are showing up in my universe and telling me, "Mujhe pata hai yaar." And these are the same people who used to tell me to choose Access, that it's so expensive that every time I spend for a class, then I think कि अब पैसा वापस आएगा, then another class shows up, and this is a loophole. Access is gonna always earn, and you're not ever gonna make money. This is so loud, and I'm like, oh God,
It's just an interesting point of view. It's not even significant. It's people's point of view. You don't even have to buy that.
I'm gonna see an interesting point of view with that.
Yeah, it's just a point of view people have. Cool.
Thank you.
Welcome. Who else wants to ask questions? Questions. Some of you are like literally silent people. You guys want to ask? You can. Yes, Jazz.
Okay, so when you say that if we go to the store, like I've tried asking things like if I buy you, will you make me money? And even like all the exercises, But when people say, oh, I got this in my awareness, and I asked you this before, and I'm still in the same boat. When people say I got this awareness or, you know, whatever in my awareness muscle is dead still. Can you tell me how to build it?
Your awareness muscle is not dead. You have a point of view that your awareness muscle is dead.
Can you tell me, I've been asking the questions like all day, just about our workshop and other like questions all day, but what else can I do?
Do you know how to do body muscle testing? All of you?
Is it the one where your body leans forward and back? If it's like yes, then
yes.
I've tried that also. I try that for food every day, but my body doesn't do anything.
Okay, so I'll ask you right now, Jazz, is your body thirsty? Yes or no?
No.
Where did you get this no?
In my mind.
Okay. That's not your mind, that's your awareness. Okay? Now I'm going to ask you again. Are you hungry? Yes or no?
Yes.
Where did you get that yes?
Because I'm eating my breakfast and I'm hungry.
Cool. So you got your awareness. Now, does your body want to take bath right now? Yes or no?
No.
Cool. You got your awareness. Ask your body, do you want to dance right now? Yes or no?
No.
Cool. Body, do you want to sleep?
No. I just woke up.
Truth. Truth. Truth.
No.
Truth. Body, do you want to sleep? Yes or no?
No.
I think it's saying yes for me. My body is saying go to sleep. That's it. You just have to keep asking, and you will have the light and heavy tool in your universe.
Okay, so I can also try that, I guess, when I go to the store. And
Yes.
if I buy you, will you make me money and just try the heavy light instead?
Correct. Yes. So one of the ways is you can work from yes and no universe. And please, guys, don't do it from the space of rightness and perfect thing. Be willing to be wrong. Like when the lockdown happened, I opened my wardrobe and 70% of the clothes I just removed. I asked my clothes, will you make me money? And it was no, and I just removed. The new clothes also. But I was willing to play with that. I was like, oh, if it's not making money, I'm just putting it out. So okay, now one of the tools which I'm going to give you is, are you willing to declutter? It is a tool for tomorrow. And I'm going to give you another tool tomorrow. So you can start decluttering today. The more you're willing to declutter, the more space you start creating in your universe for more stuff to start showing up. You have a choice of decluttering either in your phones, in your wardrobes, in your house. You can also declutter people in your universes who are like really eating your head. Tell them, get lost, I don't want to talk to you. It's just your choice what you would like to declutter. And I will also have one exercise tomorrow. I kept it for Sunday for you people. In our minds as well. Yeah, you can use who does that belong to declutter your mind too. You can just pick, but I would say physically actually start decluttering some spaces in your universe and see how much more space you have. I also did. Oh, tack, 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 tack. And you can just play with this. What else? Anything else?
Yeah, Charu.
Decluttering clothes is, Charu, you're asking for like clothes ko kaise denge?
Ask me. My hostel friend, she spoiled my one kurta. I never spoke to her. I said, I will kill you. I will murder you if you spoil my clothes. The amount of possessiveness and jealousy I had for my clothes. But then literally you ask your clothes, Will you make me money? If no, then out. If you are here, then please make me money.
It's very difficult. It's very difficult.
I know it's very difficult. So what to do, Manpreet?
I
Interesting.
love my clothes. I love my clothes very, very much.
Interesting point of view. I have this point of view. I wonder how many new stuff will start showing up. Cool.
Don't do this to me, please, Charu. Don't do this to me. Ask anything but this. Please.
Oh my God, Manpreet, that is.
Please. Oh, goodness.
Cool. Raghav had a question? Who had a question?
Hello?
Yeah, Charu. I was actually about to ask you. Yeah.
Yes, Shanky?
So just asking you, like, what about the insecurity that we have? You know, that there's always a thing that what if we don't have it tomorrow? Let's save it for today. What if, because every now and then we're talking about, not to spend more. And that creates an insecurity, which I personally feel that I have it with me. And
Yeah.
for that's the reason I'm not able to spend much more relaxedly or comfortably.
Correct.
And somehow or the other, I feel that वो नहीं future के लिए बचा के रखते हैं, so I'm not able to multiply it as well.
Yeah. So my question to you is first, do you know that your point of view creates your reality?
Yeah, I've started realizing that.
Yeah. And this reality gives us this point of view, and I totally get you. You're not wrong. We have been told save for future, save for rainy days, save for difficult times, save for problems. You never know, problems can show up. Bimari kab aa jayegi, and guess what happens? Then eventually
shows
we
up.
start. Yeah, it shows up because your point of view creates. Now, it is a very absurd thing. But I heard it on one call and I said, I'll have that reality. In my reality, I am never going to spend money on my diseases, which means that not that I will get diseased and then I will not spend my money. I am going to be healthy.
Right.
That's not my reality. I will keep my body to a space where I start, if I honor my body, I know my body will get money for me. So in my reality, I start telling myself, okay, I'm not choosing emergencies in my world. I'm choosing to have more ease. First is that. So if you start looking at your point of view, that save for tomorrow, interesting point of view, I have this point of view. For what am I saving? Oh, I'm saving for rainy day, which means I will have to create a rainy day. But what if today I start having gratitude for money and I start having it? I'm still asking you to have money, the 10%. And 10% is a huge amount of what you earn. It may look like very small amount, but it is a huge amount. And basically Gary says, and I'm telling you guys, when I got this tool of 10%, it was very difficult for me to do 10%. I would not be able to do 5% either. And that time, Gary was saying, do 50% of what you earn, like keep aside. So I was actually calculating, if I earn 50,000, then if I put 50% of 50,000, which is 25,000, which means I only get 25,000. So but my kharcha is 50,000, which means if I have to do 50% of an X amount, after removing that X amount, I should have 50,000. So how much more I will have to start asking for? I still don't have that calculation. So do you realize like net result should be 50,000, but then to do 50% aside and then have 50,000. So then every time I started increasing, but a point comes and it might take 6 months, it might take a year or 2 years, but eventually you will have more money than you have ever imagined. And this word which we have, like Manpreet said, or you're saying, this will be not your reality, which is like, I don't have money, or in Corona time, I don't know, there's a problem with money. No. And also know that this 10% which we are talking about is not this reality. People say if you have 10%, like in in Sikhism and in Christianity, they say give your 10% to God, donate. But here we are saying you are your God and keep it. You make yourself that God, that I will have that 10%. Honor yourself. Wear jewelry, like wear gold, which Indians always did. And then we bought the fashion, like person like me who bought the fashion from abroad. I don't like to wear this gold thing is on my body. So I stopped wearing. And now Gary is saying, and I'm hearing it, oh, it makes sense. But it's true. We come from a land of where abundance is there. So your point of view creates your reality. And what will you do? Write down your points of views and start doing interesting point of view on that. If there is a very strong point of view which is not going, sometimes they are loosely attached. By 2-5 times it will go. And then if you have something which is like very strongly attached, then probably do 1 lakh times and that will go. And some of you who know that I'm a very strict teacher, I tell them to do 1 lakh times. And then I don't spare them.
Okay.
But then it goes away. Cool. Anything else? Sabha, you had something?
Yes, I just wanted to say something that I shared in the group. Then I thought it was so negative kind of point of views. And then I realized that all these point of views of others, I got to know that they don't belong to me. And I was like, it's also brought me into the same reality. So it's like, yeah, I need a lot of clearings because what happened?
One of the simplest clearing is, who does that belong to? And I return it to the sender. What's my money reality?
Yeah, like, husbands usually they will say, oh, you only care about money, and or you are money minded. And even when I was when I was working before marriage, I was so much into, I want to work, I want to make myself greater or something like that. Even though they were not like very like huge kind of outcome, but still people will keep saying she is a dinar worshiper or something like that. And they will give, some religious kind of saying that people who worship money, they go to hell and this kind of stuff. And really, I just now felt like I make myself poor to just deny all these things, to tell them that I'm not that person that you're saying. And now I'm saying that, yeah, there is no problem after access. Now I'm thinking, there is no problem. I'm being money minded because I want to be happy. Why would not be happy, having everything that I want to? And
so can I say something here?
Yes, please.
I'm asking Manisha to be money minded, which means for her to mind her money, for her to be present with her money. So how much were you already present with your money that you were made wrong?
It's like, yeah, the thing that I expended. So I'm not money minded, so that I'm so easy to spend money, so easy, like,
Correct.
And even to give it to people, if I remember some places that I give to that like extent that I don't even ask return. Even if it is a loan, I don't ask for return. I feel heavy to ask it back. It is easy for me thinking that is good. It's like, giving to God. It's like that. And now I am broke. And I have they're not even returning it. And just my relationship with money, that he's upset with me.
Okay, so you will have to use the tool, can I have my money now? Can I have my money now? Can I have my money now? And pock and pod all your points of views and limitations that you have, the judgments you have.
Okay.
That they will feel that I am money minded, I've become blah, blah, blah. Who cares? Ask for your money.
Okay, you just have to continue like saying this, writing down all this. Is it okay to write down these negative things? Because I was feeling heavy while writing them down. I feel like, oh my God, what I did.
No, you just have to become present and do interesting point of view to that.
Even though you are feeling like they are so heavy when you are writing them. You feel
Yeah,
like,
so keep
wow.
doing interesting point of view and destroy and uncreate all the heaviness you have with money. And everywhere I have heaviness with money, I destroy and uncreate it all.
Okay.
So what
Thank you.
welcome. What have you made so vital about possessing the phenomenons of poverty that keeps you always seeking to have less? And everything that does not allow that, can we destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad,
Yes.
hot, talk, online, shorts, boys and girls. What have you made so vital about possessing the phenomenons of poverty that keeps you always seeking to have less? And everything that does not allow that, can we destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pork, online, shorts, boys and girls. What have you made so vital, valuable, and real about never possessing the phenomenons of wealth and money that keeps you struggling to prove the value of money? And everything that is times a godzillion. Can we destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pork, online, shorts, boys and beyond. You might want to run these clearings and see what shows up. And just for fun and no reasons and justifications and not to figure out, can you ask your universe, can I have money now? Can I have money now? Can I have money now? Just for fun, would you ask your account to double up the money? Or just for fun, would you ask your money, hey, money, can you just show up in my account?
Okay, what about the rational thinking that I am not working?
Interesting point of view. Where have you learned it that you have to work? Look at Manisha. She created a rich father. You created a rich husband. Why would you not
He
have
is
that?
rich, but he like, I don't like to ask him.
Yeah,
I want
that's the
some.
problem. You don't like to ask him because you have a judgment around it. Let them judge and receive money. What's the problem?
Because I don't like to hear to the word no. What are you going to do with it? Justify, convince, this kind of things I don't like.
Yeah, where are you not willing to hear? So that's the thing. You're not willing to receive no.
Yeah, correct.
Have you ever seen a little kid who wants something?
I have to.
You have to. Oh, brilliant. So do you say no to them?
Yeah. I say no.
Do they hear no?
They hear, yeah, sometimes because I am, they over control me.
Yes. But how much do they control you then? Please, 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 please.
Yeah.
So receive that.
But I'm not a kid and my husband is not me, mommy.
Hello, babe. Just do interesting point of view. If you want to change it, then receive what I'm saying. If you give me
Okay.
reasons and justifications, no point.
Okay. So
Yeah.
it's not like with reasons because he's a rational person, linear kind of thinking, convince me. So I don't like to do it into the convince because I am not that kind of thinking sometimes because I believe I want to join this.
So
Then
just ask a question, what will it take for me to not convince him and what will it take for him to give me money without asking any question? And everything that
wow.
doesn't allow that, I destroy and uncreate it all.
Yes, I will do this one like. So yeah, it will be awesome. This one will be so easy. Oh, it's feeling even lighter.
You
Yeah, it
can
will.
run this. Ask questions. Whatever you
Yes.
want, just ask in the form of questions.
How would it take for me to, or how would it take for him to give me money without asking or asking for reasons? Something
Correct.
like that.
Yes.
Okay.
Everything that does not allow, I destroy and uncreate.
And there and create it all. تمسك الزلي. And short spawns and beyonds. Okay, thank you so much. I'm feeling so good. Was so hesitating to talk, but I did it. Wow. Thank
Yes,
you.
brilliant. Good. Thank you for receiving and thank you for talking. That's where you're willing to receive now.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. I agree.
Awesome, you guys. You have any questions or shall we end the call? Okay, I'll see you probably on Thursday for another call, approximately around 9:30 on Thursday. Till then, we will do all the tools. And tomorrow, I have something for you people to do. Some of you might have done it previously, but I will give it to you. I wanted to give that, like this was the third day I was getting that exercise. I said everybody will say today is a working day. I don't want to do working day thing. So okay, fine, do it on Sunday.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you,
Thank
Charu.
you.
Welcome.
Bye, Charu. Thank you
Bye.
so much.
Thank you, Charu.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank
Good
you.
night.
Bye. Good night.
Bye. Good
Good
night.
night.
Good night.